In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming mouse on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rapoo VT9 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Rapoo VT9 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse is an esports-grade peripheral designed for competitive gamers and enthusiasts seeking precision and performance. Weighing in at a remarkably light 68 grams, this mouse is engineered for rapid, effortless movement, minimizing fatigue during extended gaming sessions. The ultra-lightweight design ensures swift and accurate responses, enhancing in-game performance and agility. Equipped with the PAW3398 optical sensor, the VT9 Pro offers an impressive sensitivity of up to 26,000 dpi. This allows for highly accurate tracking and responsiveness, critical for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. The VT9 Pro provides the freedom of wireless connectivity without compromising on performance. It ensures a stable and lag-free connection, essential for seamless gameplay. With 8 programmable buttons, users can tailor the mouse to their specific gaming needs, creating macros and shortcuts for an optimized gaming experience. The mouse is designed to fit comfortably in the hand, reducing strain and enhancing control during intense gaming sessions. Its shape is crafted to support various grip styles, catering to a wide range of user preferences. Built to withstand the rigors of competitive gaming, the VT9 Pro features durable components and a robust construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. Number 2. Redragon M811 Pro Gaming Mouse. The Redragon M811 Pro Wireless MMO Gaming Mouse is a high-performance gaming peripheral designed to meet the demands of serious gamers, especially those who play MMO, massively multiplayer online, games. This gaming mouse stands out with its impressive array of features tailored to enhance gaming performance and user experience. The Redragon M811 Pro offers wireless functionality, providing gamers with the freedom of movement without the constraints of a wired connection. This feature is particularly beneficial for gamers who value a clutter-free gaming setup. With a total of 15 programmable buttons, this mouse allows for extensive customization. Users can assign various commands, macros, or functions to these buttons, enabling quick and efficient execution of complex actions during gameplay. Among the programmable buttons, 10 are conveniently located on the side of the mouse. These side macro keys are designed for easy access and are ideal for MMO gamers who need to execute multiple commands swiftly. The Redragon M811 Pro features RGB lighting, adding a visually appealing aesthetic to the mouse. Gamers can personalize the lighting effects to match their gaming setup or preferences, enhancing the overall gaming atmosphere. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the mouse ensures comfortable use during extended gaming sessions. Its shape and button placement are optimized to reduce strain and fatigue, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort. Number 3. X3 PixArt PAW3395 Bluetooth Mouse. The X3 PixArt PAW3395 Bluetooth mouse is a cutting-edge gaming mouse designed to deliver high performance and versatility for serious gamers. Here's a detailed overview of its features and capabilities. The mouse offers 3 modes of connection: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired, allowing users to switch seamlessly between different devices and usage scenarios. Equipped with the PixArt PAW3395 sensor, the X3 boasts an impressive DPI, dots per inch, range of up to 26,000. This high DPI ensures exceptional accuracy and responsiveness, crucial for fast-paced gaming. The sensor supports speeds of up to 650 IPS, inches per second, ensuring the mouse can handle rapid movements without any loss of tracking accuracy. This is particularly beneficial for gamers who require quick and precise cursor movements. Weighing only 49 grams, the X3 is incredibly lightweight, reducing hand fatigue during extended gaming sessions and allowing for swift, effortless movements. The mouse includes programmable buttons that can be customized with macros, allowing users to execute complex commands and actions with a single click. This feature is essential for gaming strategies and efficiency. Number 4. Darmoshark M3 Pro 4KHZ Gaming Mouse. The Darmoshark M3 Pro 4KHZ gaming mouse is a high-performance device tailored for esports enthusiasts and professional gamers. Marketed through the Darmoshark official store, this wireless gaming mouse boasts several advanced features designed to enhance gaming experiences. The M3 Pro operates at an impressive 4KHZ, 4000 Hz, polling rate, which provides a significantly faster response time compared to standard gaming mice. This ensures that every click and movement is registered with extreme precision and minimal delay. Equipped with the PAM3395 optical sensor, the mouse supports up to 26,000 dpi, dots per inch. This high dpi range allows for incredibly precise and smooth cursor movements, which is crucial for fast-paced gaming scenarios. The mouse features TTC switches known for their durability and responsiveness. These switches offer a tactile and satisfying click, ensuring reliable performance over long gaming sessions. At the heart of the M3 Pro is the Nordic N5280 chip, which provides robust wireless connectivity and efficient power management. This ensures a stable and lag-free connection during gameplay. The M3 Pro is designed with ergonomics in mind, providing a comfortable grip that reduces strain during extended use. Its lightweight construction further enhances maneuverability and control. Number 5. Delux M900 Pro Gaming Mouse. The Delux M900 Pro wireless gaming mouse is an advanced accessory designed for PC gamers, particularly those with larger hands. This ergonomic mouse stands out due to its impressive 8K polling rate, ensuring ultra-responsive performance crucial for competitive gaming. Equipped with the PAW3395 sensor, it provides precise and accurate tracking, enhancing gameplay accuracy and control. Weighing only 63 grams, the M900 Pro offers a lightweight yet robust build, minimizing fatigue during extended gaming sessions. Its design caters specifically to right-hand users, ensuring comfort and ease of use over long periods. One of the mouse's standout features is its magnetic RGB charging dock. This not only allows for convenient and fast charging but also adds a customizable aesthetic appeal to the gaming setup with vibrant RGB lighting options. The wireless capability of the M900 Pro further ensures an uncluttered gaming environment, eliminating the limitations posed by wired mice.